Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun, and actually this is for traders that know about charts, because then if you don't, then you probably don't understand many things that I share in these videos. Anyway, Nasdaq. Let's start with Nasdaq daily chart. On Nasdaq we have a nice pull to the upside, and 15,297 could be my target, or I would put it a little bit upwards and say, yeah, 15,327. Yeah, that's more likely. 15,327. Once we get above there, then 15,544 is the next resistance area. This is a more important resistance, so we might get to 15,500. In fact, the 50-day EM is right there. That could also be targeted because we just got above the 20-day EMA. So 15,440. I would say we are on our way to 15,440 to the 50-day EMA, and we will see what's going to happen there. Let me check the weekly chart. Just a second. And let's see if there's anything. Yeah, we are above the 50 EMA and we are on our way to the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA is at 15,000, above 15,400. So 15,400 is my target right now for Nasdaq, and there we will see what happens. Are we going to get above there? Probably we are, and we are on our way to the top here. Going over to Sp500. This is actually the weekly chart on the Sp500, and now, yeah, we are above the 20 EMA, hitting my resistance here. We had this head and shoulder pattern. We hit my price target, in fact came below there, but had a pullback above the 50 EMA. That's a very bullish sign. It's a very bullish candle. I predicted that this week is going to be bullish, and exactly what I predicted happened. So this is the daily chart on the Sp500, and we are on our way up. 4,573 is an area of resistance for me. Probably not that strong resistance. I think we are on our way to 4,600. Once we get above 4,600, then first, this is going to be my target, 4,669, and then 4,700. In fact, 37. Once we get above there, then of course previous top is the price target. So let's see what happens here in this area. Let's go over to Dow Jones. And this is the daily chart on Dow Jones. We hit the 50-day EMA, and of course we have a little bit of pullback. Are we going to spend some time here between 50 and 20-day EMA? It's possible. Should we break above there, then of course 35,427 could be a little bit of resistance, just like 35,513. But above this area, yeah, 35,986, or this stop could be targeted, and all these targets. So I'm watching these lines. Once we are above the 50-day EMA, then we could continue our way to the upside. Let's go over to Germany, see what's going on there. So this is the daily chart on the German index, and we have a little bit wedgy. So we are trying to get above a 50-day EMA. If we do break above the 50-day EMA, then, and of course right now we are also at this area that I consider resistance. Once we are above there, then 15,900 is the target. Above 15,900, probably we are going to the previous top. So, but it still looks wedgy. So let's see what happens with the German index. We need to break to the upside, shoot up in order to kill this bearish wedge that we have here. Let's go over to Japan, the Nikkei. Japanese index, that's the daily chart on the Japanese index. And right now we are hitting this zone that is resistance for me. Right now we are trying to get to the 20-day EMA at around 27,600. This is the target right now. Once we are above, we are probably trying to go to the 50-day EMA. Once we are above there, then this area here could be targeted, which is actually, let me see, 28,779, and above there 29,350. So I'm watching these areas and act accordingly. Let's have a quick look at Russel and see what's going on there. Russell has fallen a lot lately, so it's no surprise we have a bullish pullback. We are above this 2030. That is telling me that we are on our way to this next resistance. And in fact, we are on our way to the 20-day EMA.